Hello, welcome inside the Bug Hotel. This week we're under the microscope with Ixodes Ricinus, the deer tick, also known as castor bean tick or sheep tick. This unfortunate fellow came home with us after a trip to the nearby meadows. They seem to favour places with long grass and lots of low foliage. I extracted it with some tweezers and popped it on a slide to get up close and personal, but be very careful if you extract them this way and ensure you don't leave anything behind. Deer ticks have 4 stages to their life cycle: egg, larva, nymph and adult. The entire cycle takes anywhere from 1.5 to 4.5 years. This one is a nymph. As you can see, it has 4 pairs of legs. The adults only have 3 pairs. The majority of bites on humans tend to be from nymphs such as this little blighter. However, larvae and adults do bite us too. Zero to 20% of ticks unfortunately carry Lyme disease, which, if not treated promptly, can be very, very nasty indeed. If you have a tick bite and you're concerned, seek the advice of medical professionals. Most ticks are active March to October, but they can be found on mild winter days. Ixodes Ricinus.